Hello and welcome to another edition of TV34 Multimedia Productions. This is Tony Morgan, and I just want to show you a quick sample of the one program that I use for editing my photos. It's a program called Studio Portrait 12, Portrait Pro 12 rather. And I'm going to click on the link right here and open it up, the program. I already have a folder that I'm going to use for the files to show you what I've got. So it's in my on my E drive. I'm going to go right into the folder itself. We'll just click on the file here and open it up. And what happens with Portrait Pro, it automatically pulls up the image and it starts to look for the face. So it says finding the face. It finds the face and does an outline. Click on female. Excuse me. So I've got the look right here, so I can just go in and do just a little bit of an adjustment. Sometimes you don't have to do anything at all, but you just want to do just a little bit of adjustment just to get everything just in place where it needs to be. Depending on how you have the picture looking in the layout, it's pretty simple to do. I'm just doing a little bit of fine tuning to it. And then I'll show you a before and after shot. Then as you can see, her eyes are just a little different in, as far as the color. I'm going to try to get that natural color with the eyes, so I go into eye control. And I want to darken the iris. So just go in and just move this slider over a little bit, and as you can see, it darkened right around the eyes just a little bit, and that looks pretty good right there. So I don't really need to do anything else to it. The picture is edited and done. So we pretty much can say that we're good to go from here if you like what you want. If you want to do a little bit more fine tuning, you can go in and do a little bit more. We're just going to click on fit and show you how it actually looks on the faces, the whole image itself, show you the final picture. And then we just go over to Save As, and I'm going to save it in that same folder so I can show you a before and after. So I go in and save the picture. It automatically saves it, and as you can see, it didn't take no time at all to do it. So now what I'm going to do is go into that file itself and show you a before and after. Okay, and this is the before shot. As you can see, without the editing, this is the before shot. And there you have the after. Just that quick and simple with this particular program, Portrait Pro. I think they have the 13 version out now, or something a little bit higher, but this is the 12 version. And it's a very simple process. This is the before, and this is the after. As you can see, it didn't take long at all to do it. I'm going to go in and show you one more picture, and then we can go in and edit it one more time. So let me close this one out. We're going to just go into File and Open. And we're going to grab another picture, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going in, we have another picture that we're looking at. It's going to automatically find the face for you. Select female. It's going to do all the fine tuning and adjustments for you automatically. It's going to crop in tight on the image itself. It's cropping in tight on the face. So you can just go in if you want to and just adjust the settings just a little bit where I can get all the nose and everything in the mouth into the shot the way that you want it. So you just only have to do just a little bit of tuning. And what this does, what the program does, is just fine tunes and highlights it, and really brightens the image up and everything, and it just shows you a little bit more detail. So depending on how much you want to do and how fine tuning you want to go in with it, I'm just doing just a little bit of minor editing right here. So right now it looks good. I'm going to go in and change the eyes again, just so I can get the eyes down a little bit to close to normal as possible. Just get the lips in a little bit more. And then we're going to go up to the eye control again. And we're just going to darken the iris on it. Just slide it over and darken a little bit so it looks pretty much normal. And then we'll go in and just click on fit so we see the whole image itself again. There you have it. So we're going to save the file. Next, Save As. And if you notice, what happens is when you save the file, it adds extension PP on it, so it stands for Portrait Pro. So just click on save it in the same folder. It doesn't take long at all to save the image. It's done. So now we'll show you the before and after again. This is the before shot. and this is the after. It's just that simple with this particular program. It's not expensive. You can order it online, download it right away, and start using it 5 minutes after you download it. It's just that simple. We'll go back to before, do a close-up shot just to see how it looks on the face and everything. This is a before shot. Then we go to the after. Zoom in on that a little tighter, and you can see that the colors are much richer. And then you can see the detail and how it's did the change on it. It's just that simple with this particular program. So it's a great program. It's something that I would definitely recommend if you want to just do a little bit of fine tuning on it. And then we're back to the program itself. And it's just that simple. And when you're done, you can just close out of it. And actually, do you want to save it? If not, you're good to go. We're back to our desktop and we're done. It's just that simple.